Some drunken antics may have happened last night where I'm pretty sure I've broken my toe. But it's fine because it's my little toe. And I'm sure I read somewhere once that like everyone breaks their little toe without realising. Basically what happened was, do you know like the automatic sliding doors as like you go in hotels? So I was being an idiot. They were all outside and I was being an idiot, and I was like pretending to like do the whole miming thing. Then this guy walked through them, these sliding doors shot open, hit me in the face and then ran my foot over at the same time. I've never felt pain like it, and I was drunk as well. I feel like if I weren't drunk then I would have experienced more pain, because like, you know, with like the alcohol and everything, you don't tend to experience as much pain. I'm actually very grateful I was drunk at that point. I'm just getting ready so we can go out and have breakfast. Basically I don't think we're coming back to the hotel room all day, so what I'm going to wear tonight is what I have on now. We're going to go for breakfast at the same cafe we went to yesterday, but I think we want to try some different things. And then we are going to go to the Guinness factory. We decided to book it for today, and then we have a meal booked for tonight as well. So we've got quite an exciting day planned. I'm really enjoying myself in Dublin, I can't lie. A part of me just doesn't want to leave at all. I'm also sorry for coming on camera looking like this. Right, okay, I'm going to get ready and then I will see you all when we're either heading to breakfast or when we're there.
On the track. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour.
We've made it! This is like one of the coolest places I've ever been before.
Icing on that chocolate cake, that sound like the perfect day. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm getting to the money. But don't you come back crawling when you seeing all these honeys, yeah. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm getting to the money. But don't you come back crying when you seeing all these honeys, yeah. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. Yeah, like the perfect day. Yeah, yeah, like the perfect day. Perfect day. Yeah. Fuck. Fucking perfect day. Bullshit. That's why I hate love. Fuck.
Oh, this is Instagram central, yeah.
that are scared of the escalator. Well, not really, that's me. We're having to get a lift everywhere because it's literally like really high up. There's 7 floors, and what are we? Are we on the 4th? Yeah, we're on the 4th floor, and everything's literally glass. And I'll probably shat my pants if I get on a glass elevator. Guinness factory. Definitely not good if you don't like heights.
Like me.
Like me. I'm just too scared, like.
Goofy on the track. She gon' pop it open. She gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor.
There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ice cream.
Watch it. We're all extremely drunk, but we're all leaving the Guinness factory now. We're going to go for a nice meal at somewhere called Bar Italia and eat loads of Italian food.
Let's wait for Lauren and Lewis to come back now. Apparently they're incapable again.
Yeah, I don't know where Lauren and Lewis are. They were.
I found them for there. Got in the glass lip.
Right, yeah. They're really weird, and they like these glass lifts where you can literally see the entire building, like top to bottom. It's really scary. But we're gonna go and enjoy some Italian food now, so we'll see you when we're at the meal. We've made it to the restaurant and we're literally just looking. I look like a boy. Me and Lauren are already looking at like the wine list.
Damn, I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm getting to the money. But don't you come back crawling when you seeing all these honeys, yeah. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care.
So me and Lauren have just got ready. We're going to go and meet Lewis and Dan at the same bar as yesterday. We've got cute tops underneath our scarves, but it's like really cold. Winter material. Yeah, literally. So we've had to like sort of chuck some scarves on top. I'm really happy that. Well, you bought that one, didn't you?
Yeah, I bought it yesterday.
I brought this one with me, and it honestly it was like Baltic. But we're gonna go and meet them now. We've had quite a few drinks today.
There's some nice food though.
I'm pretty sure by like 3 o'clock we're already drunk. But it's fine.
Drunk.
Yeah, true. It's fine. We'll see you when we're having drinks. Woo! Are you even a girl if you don't throw peace signs up everywhere? We've just got back from one of the bars, and unfortunately it's like an 8 PM curfew. So we've drunk basically as much as we can. Dan and I are going to go up to Lauren and Lewis's hotel with like the rest of the beers that we've got, and then mix them with basically what they've got. This lighting is like, it's a little bit bright. And then we're basically going to spend like a few hours there, I reckon, and get a little bit more tipsy. But yeah, we're basically going to go over there for a little bit and then enjoy the rest of our night. And I can't believe tomorrow is like the last day. One thing I'm really excited about, it's going to sound really sad, but I'm really excited to see my dog, because we had to leave her at Dan's mum and dad's, and I just miss her face so much. And Dan's mum was sending me like pictures and videos of her, and she just looks so sad and so stressed. I'm like, I need my child. My outfit of the day, or outfit of the night. So sock boots are again from Pretty Little Thing. Leggings are actually from New Look. They were in the sale for £9 and they are the comfiest thing ever. They've got like a fleecy inside to them. Corset is from... Did someone just try to open our door? Corset is from Pretty Little Thing. It was in my previous haul. And then cropped black blazer is from Misguided. And bag was down from £6 to £3 in Primark. And it looks like a Balenciaga bag. It's getting really close. If anyone's coming to Dublin, please bring double the euros than you think that you need, because we've brought 600 for 3 nights and it's already gone. So if you think going for a night out in the UK is expensive, it's more expensive here.
Eyeglass.
Dan thinks someone's trying to not break into our hotel door, but he thinks someone is outside.
Those chickens are up to something.
Those chickens are up to something.
Ginger one.
We're gonna go now.
Bye.
See you in a... Why does... It just sounds like people are trying to break in. We will see you when we're at Lauren and Lewis's hotel room. Okay, bye.
Get out, lad.
Before we head to Lauren and Lewis's, we are just going to take a quick outfit picture because this corset is banging and you all need it all. I'm obviously at that point where I'm drunk and quite clearly I'm not in myself, so I do apologise because 100% I'm going to edit this back and be like, cringe. But we're having a good time in Dublin, what can I say? I think we're just going to take photos here because I have a cute blue bag to match.
Come back crawling when you seeing all these hunters, yeah. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee.
Hi guys, so I'm just taking over Brian's YouTube channel at the moment, to be honest. Just hi in it. Hope everyone's had a nice weekend. Don't really know what Brian says because I don't know how she does this. I've had a very nice weekend in Dublin with these guys.
Lauren's the girl that got me loads and loads of crystals for my birthday.
I didn't get you lots and lots of crystals.
So I repaid her with a trip to Dublin.
It's been a sick weekend.
You didn't buy me out. I've got a valid.
Dan, yours is mutual with Brian. You get crystals as well. You know you need to manifest.
You need to manifest
I'd be
with my
complaining.
crystals.
I'm sending the complaint.
Send that back to Ombudsman.
If anyone watched my what I got for Christmas video, you'll also know that Lauren got me a load of crystals for my car.
I also got you just loads of presents in general, to be honest.
You did, to be honest, and I feel like all the Ted Baker stuff is what I wear like every single day.
I thought you'd like that.
I did enjoy that quite a lot.
And a little spray. Like I love the Ted Baker body sprays, and I was like, I know you will appreciate that.
When I was trying to pronounce it, and I was like, oh, it's violet and bergamot.
That video, I swear to God, I was actually creasing it, and I Snapchat and you did it, and I was like, Rihanna, it's bergamot. Like, stop pronouncing it so weird. Like, this is how it's said. This is what you need to do.
This is how you pronounce it, and it's not how you
stop being blonde and pretending not to know how to say it. You have good English, girl.
I thought it was bergamot.
Bergamot.
There's quite a few things that I can't pronounce.
Like potato.
Ah, it's extreme. Potato. My toxic trait is thinking that my 18th of Irish in me means that I'm Irish and that I can speak Irish.
We're all like basically Irish here.
1/4 represent.
Yeah.
An 8th also. Bro, this is me and you that's like an 8th Irish.
I'm not even an 8th.
I can't do accents to save my life, so
everyone in Dublin is like, the Irish accent is just so strong.
In a way again.
And Lewis is gonna piss himself.
I am.
can't keep anything to himself.
The Irish accent is it's so unbelievably strong. We went into Penny's the other day. Basically, Penny's is like the Primark.
Is literally Primark.
But in Dublin, Ireland.
The only thing that's different is literally the name when you walk in, because everything in the shop is labelled Primark.
Literally, but you can't
Apart
return
from
things.
Literally like the name as you walk into the shop, which is called Penny's.
But you can't return things in the UK because it's like different stock. But we walked in the other day and they were like these 13-year-olds and it was like, oh fuck you, but in like a proper Irish accent. And we were there like, okay.
The maze runner.
I have just attached my camera right on this and everyone's like, no, that's a bad idea. I think this is a genius idea personally.
Just show the drop to the floor.
Oh my god.
Show them what they dropped to the floor.
Yeah, to the floor actually in the room, and then the floor outside.
But it's not going to go outside because it's
It
inside.
could do, so it's possible, everything's possible.
Oh no.
We have to believe everything's possible.
Alright, manifesting queen.
The next day.
Today's the last day of our little Dublin getaway and we've had a really nice day shopping. Doing a little bit of shopping, had some breakfast. Now we're going to go back to the hotel to check out. It's check out at 2, did you say?
Yeah.
So we've had quite a good checkout time then really, haven't we? Because normally it's like 11 o'clock. But I really hope Lauren's had a good birthday. She really doesn't care. Who is it? Is it actually room service?
Yeah, we're moving in. Come to get the bags, love.
I thought it was Lauren and Lewis. I was like, who is it? Okay, so we officially need to leave now. We're like 30 minutes behind on checkout because our cards wouldn't work. Peace and pout, Dublin. You've been a blast. Are you going to say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, make sure you smash it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. And stay tuned for the Paris vlog. Bye. Bye.